God.
Eh? No. How? Where?
It was an accident.
Hey!
Auntie, it was...
Hey! Auntie! Where are they? Where is he?
New General Hospital.
Hey!
Auntie, I'm scared.
Yeah, hello? Yeah, Benson on the line. What did you just say? Which hospital? Tell me which hospital! Go for it to get out of the way! God! My God! Dad!
Doctor, how is he? Is it okay?
I'm sorry. We lost him.
Where's my son? Where's my son? Where? Baby! Babe! Run! Tracy! Babe! Listen, baby, just talk to me. My love, just talk to me. Brian, listen, baby. Listen, my love, I love you. You know I love you, right? Mommy's here. Wake up! Wake up! Baby, wake up! Listen! You killed my son! My son! You killed my son! You killed my son! You killed my son! How dare you! My son died into your carelessness! My son died! My son! My son!
Bella, you know it was your fault that Brian died.
It's not my fault. It's not my fault. I was holding Mayo and he was at the front. When I noticed he called you, I didn't know he was going to run. I didn't answer. I promise. I don't know. It was not my fault.
It's okay, it's fine. Stop
Not
crying.
my fault.
I know it's fine. No problems. I'll talk to them, but not now. Because they're in pain. They're in serious pain. But I'll talk to them later. For now, I think you should go inside and clean up.
Please. Can you take me to the hospital? My head. Please. This is a big thing.
It's okay. Just stay here. I'm coming. Okay? I'm coming. No, don't cry. No. I'm coming.
It's very hard to believe that the little boy who wanted to come and greet me is dead. It's so hard. Alice. Alice, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But you have to put yourselves together. Benson, you have to be strong for your wife. And it was not Bella's fault. I was there when it all happened. She never knew that Brian would cross the road to come meet me. It was my fault. So don't blame it on her, please.
Don't say that. Tracy, don't even. Why would you blame yourself for that? You don't take the blame. She's at fault. She was there with them. The kids were kept under her care. What are you even saying?
I know the kids are under her care. Well, going by the circumstances, she's innocent.
Tracy, please, stay out of this. That girl is a killer! I don't know what my son has done to her for her to just kill the boy. So stay out of it, that girl is nothing but a killer.
She did not kill Brian. She didn't. What happened was pure accident. I was there. I am a witness. And hey, this girl is badly injured. And if not rushed to the hospital immediately, she may bleed out.
Tracy! What are you talking about? My son is dead! Lifeless! You're telling me about someone who is just bleeding? What is wrong with you? What are you...
Oh God, I'm so scared at this minute. I want her to die. I want her to die this minute.
Please, you can't say that.
I want her to die.
How will you want her to die? She did not kill your son.
Well, this will be all for now. She needs to go to the hospital. Her wound is really deep and she needs urgent medical attention. Please do that.
Oh, sure. I'll see to that.
Okay, I'll be on my way now.
Okay.
Please take care of her.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. So, sorry. How are you feeling now?
Feeling dizzy and I'm feeling headache.
Yeah, I know. It's because you lost a lot of blood. But you'll be fine. I just want you to go inside now. Take your bed and change into something else.
Auntie, please. I don't want to go inside. They'll kill me.
Yeah.
Please.
Nobody will touch you. Nobody. I am here for you. Okay?
They'll kill me.
They will not. They won't touch you. Trust me. You'll be fine. Okay? Alright, let's go.
Bella. What are you trying to do?
Me? I'm trying to call my mom.
Your mom?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? What for? Oh! Ha! Bella.
What?
You want to call your mother so you can report us to her, right?
No, ma. No.
Now give me the phone.
Ma.
Ah, Bella. Bella, why are you this heartless? You're very heartless. So after everything you've done, you've decided to live your life like nothing happened, right? Let me remind you, Bella, in case you forgot to, you killed my son. You killed our son! Brian, you killed him. Yet you're here living like nothing happened. I don't even know who sent you to us. But whoever that person is, tell them that I said I will triple the pain. You see this pain I'm feeling, this one big thing that I'm going through. I will make sure your life is miserable. I will make your life a living hell in this house. Oh. Now go there and hang on my husband's clothes. Fast!
I've already done that in the morning when he left for work.
Are you challenging me?
No, I'm just telling you, I've already done.
Go and re-iron them. This minute.
Ma?
Just imagine. She's even trying to call her mom. Bella, God will punish you. Bella. Bella!
Ma! Good morning, sir. I'm sorry. Good morning, ma.
So you're still sleeping at this time of the day?
Ma, sorry. Ma, I'm sorry. I slept late last night and I was feeling headache. Even the injury on my head was giving me problem. I also finished uncle's clothes by 3 a.m. So that was why I don't know, it was already done.
So how is that my business? Eh? You fool. Tell me how that is my concern. So you've forgotten you have some household chores to do. And still take my son Mayor to school. Oh, Jesus, you're not touching him. Oh, shut up! You are not touching, you're not taking my son to school. So you don't kill him the same way you killed Brian?
No, it was an accident. So I promise I will never do it again.
Oh!
No,
You just admitted you did it.
No, I did not do anything, ma.
It was an accident?
Yes.
But you were there. Eh? You were there. Take yourself out of this room and go and do the chores you're supposed to do. Get out!
Sorry, ma.
Just imagine comfortably sleeping after killing my son.
Where is that stupid girl? Where is she? Where are you? Bella! Bella!
Sir?
Are these not the clothes your auntie asked you to iron? Are these not the clothes your auntie asked you to iron? Are they ironed? Do they look ironed?
Sir, I ironed it this morning.
You ironed your life. That's what you ironed, not these clothes.
Baby.
Look at this witch. Are these not the clothes you gave her to iron? Are these not my clothes that you gave this witch to iron? But instead of her to iron it, she burnt it.
Bella, did you iron this thing?
Yes, ma. I ironed them.
You did?
Yes, ma.
And you burnt it? Bella, how could you? How dare you burn my husband's clothes?
I'm sorry, ma. It was a mistake.
A mistake? Can you afford it? Can your wretched mother in the village afford this thing? Can she? Oh, Jesus. Bella, why are you so spoiled? Why? Oh, shut up!
That was a mistake! I'll tell you what the mistake is. I'll tell you what the mistake is. Wait! No, I need to burn the country. Your blood, get out! 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 Out!
Baby, I'm really sorry. I don't know.
Where's Mayor?
Let me call him. Mayor! Yeah. Hey, baby, come. Babe, I'm really sorry, okay? I'll just...
Call that fella for me. Call that witch!
Bella! Bella!
That's how witches behave. They don't answer. Bring her here.
Bella! Oh.
Stay here. Move it! Stay right there. Witch! See this one. You're not going to kill her. Don't you ever in your life, in your miserable life, don't you come close to my son. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
Do not what? Come close to my son. I'll take him to school and bring him back. Stay away from him. I know you're planning to kill the son, but before you do, I'll kill you. Witch! You're looking at me, say yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Witch!
Yes, sir.
Witch!
Yes, sir.
Good. Move it. Move!
Baby, it's just... Calm down, okay?
It's all right. It's all right.
Please drive carefully.
I will.
Bella! Bella!
Ah, wow. So Brian don't really die like this. and they blame Bella for the boy death. I say now she drive the motor and kill the boy. Thank God say my work now just to pull the closer. And we're not what people know we see for this life.
Bella, why are you sitting here? Huh?
Auntie, I'm feeling dizzy and weak.
So how is that my concern?
Auntie, please. I'm very sick. Please, can you take me to the hospital, ma?
Bella, you will drop dead this minute. You hear me? You will die the same way you killed my son if you don't go inside, pack those clothes and start washing them this minute.
Auntie, please. I'm dying. Please help me. Just take me to the hospital.
I should take you to the hospital?
Yes, ma'am.
I should take you to the hospital. My friends, get up this minute and go and wash these clothes. Are you better than my son that you killed? Are you? My friend, go get the clothes and wash them this minute. Move! Rubbish. Telling me, auntie, I'm sick. Do I look like a doctor to you? Tracy, I still can't believe that my beloved Brian is gone. I can't believe I lost my son. It still feels like a movie. Bella, you really did this. You really did it to me.
Alice, are we still talking about this? No, I can't believe we're still talking about this incident. See, what happened was an accident. Accident, girl. It was never Bella's fault. She didn't kill your son. Yes. See, I don't want us to keep talking about this. Keep this whole thing behind you. Okay? So, how is your husband?
He's fine. He has gone to work and Mayor to school.
Okay, that is very good. Okay, that's what I want to hear. And not Brian. Enough. See, I want both of you to put yourselves together and focus. Okay. Where is Bella now?
That one. She should be at the backyard washing.
Backyard. Okay. I hope you've treated her. I mean, that you've taken her to hospital to treat her injury.
Tracy, what are you even saying? You expect me to take a girl that killed my son to the hospital just because she has a scratch on her head?
That is not a scratch. That was a deep cut. You gave that girl a deep injury.
Oh,
And she deserves treatment.
whatever. That's none of my business. I believe she's fine. Because if she's not, she should be dead at this point. Yes.
Huh?
Uh-huh.
Are you being serious right now?
Do I look like I'm joking? She's fine. Someone that is washing. Is she better than the one that is dead?
Bella. 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 Hey. Bella. Bella. Alice. 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 Please come on. Come. Something is happening here. Bella.
What?
See.
What's going on?
Bella is unconscious. Please.
So?
We need to revive her, please.
Oh, please, that's your business. That has nothing to do with me. Listen, she can die for all I care. That is a repercussion for killing my son. Nonsense.
Alice!
Oh!
Alice!
Get out.
Alice! If anything happens to this girl, it's on your head. You will not go scot-free. Bella, please don't do this to me.
Madam, she will be fine. But she lost so much blood. And her injury is not properly treated. It has been infected. Yes. I'm afraid, I don't know. If there is no proper medical attention on her right now, it might get worse.
Doctor, please. Please, I want you to do anything at all to make her get better. So, how much are we talking about?
Okay, at least 100,000 naira. You need to make a deposit of 100,000 naira so that we can commence treatment on her, and we need to scan her head to check if there is possible skull crack.
A skull crack?
Yes, which might be possible. So who is she to you? Your sister, your niece, or your house help?
No, she's my friend's daughter. Yes.
Your friend's daughter?
Yes. My friend's daughter.
Okay. No problem. She has to stay here for at least 2 days for proper medical attention. Huh? Okay. I have to be in the other ward.
All right.
Thank you.
She's still.
Yeah.
Hey, baby. You're welcome. How was your day?
Fine, thank you.
Tracy was here earlier, but she took Bella to the hospital.
Huh?
Yeah.
What happened?
Bella was washing at the back. I really don't know what happened, but then Tracy called on me to come. When I got there, I met Bella unconscious, and she begged me to help revive her, but of course I bluntly refused.
Good. You did the right thing. If anything happens to us, you have the police to explain to.
Exactly.
Let us go.
So let's go.
Both of you are unbelievable. What kind of parents are you? Do you want that girl to die? The kid you're maltreating is also someone else's child. I've told you severally that it was never her fault that your son died. But no, you keep pushing the blame on her. Hey, look, if anything happens to that girl, it will be on both of you.
It will be on you. I'm telling you the fact, it's going to be on you. After all, you're the one defending the girl. You are the one who thinks she's innocent.
I am not defending her. I never defended her. I was there when the car hit Brian and ran away. Hey, your wife, my friend Alice here, broke that girl's head. She lost lots of blood and went into coma. The doctor is demanding for the sum of 100,000 naira for her treatment. He suggested a head scan, to check if there is a skull crack or something.
No. Well, I believe she's going to die. Because I am not spending a dime on whatever treatment that is. Not even a kobo.
Alice, when did you become this person? Because you were never like this.
Tracy! My son died. Brian died due to Bella's carelessness. Well, that was why I changed.
I see you have a lot of strength. A lot of money too. You took her to the hospital. Innocent. As you can see, my wife is still grieving over the loss of her son. Maybe you can help out with the house chores, like start from the TV, so you can see it's dusty. Or maybe you can wash the car.
Benson, you're unbelievable. I should do your house chores.
You have so much strength, don't you?
Fine. I am leaving. But if anything happens to that girl, if anything happens to Bella,
how did you make this person your friend?
I don't know.
Madam, so tell me, how exactly did she get this wound?
Doc, please, can we forget about that and focus on the treatment? I just want you to commence treatment. I'll pay the bills, since you say there's no need of the brain scan anymore.
Okay, I understand something here. She seems to be your maid and you are maltreating her, right?
Hell no! She's not my house help. Okay, fine. She's a friend's maid. But they don't get on well. She lost her son and she thinks it's the maid's fault.
Are you serious? And she had the effrontery to do this to her? Come on,
Doctor,
I know him, man.
please, doctor. Can you just focus on helping this girl get back to her feet?
Focus on helping the girl.
Please.
Anyway, okay. I'll see what I can do. Everything will be fine. Wait a minute. She looks familiar. Is she not Benson's house help?
She is.
Are you serious? The one that just lost his son?
Yes.
How come? Wait a minute. And Benson is accusing her of killing the son, right?
Yes, doctor.
Oh, I get it. Very bad one. It's okay. I know what to do. I have Benson's number. I'll call him. Yes, I'll call him and talk things out with him.
Okay. Oh, Baba.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Hmm? I'll take care of it.
Okay.
Hello, Dr. Sam. I'm okay.
I have a patient here, and I was told she's a house help.
Well, that's the same person I told you killed my son.
Oh, Mr. Benson, I've told you, you don't have a proof to that. It was only an accident. Is that why you're maltreating her?
So, doctor, what happened was an accident. There is no way on earth my wife would deliberately break her head. Probably my wife wanted to hit her, then she fell and broke her head.
No. This is too much. It's too much on her. You need to come to the hospital to see things for yourself. She's badly injured.
Doctor, my son is dead!
Hello? 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 Mr. Benson? Come on. Why is he ruthless? No. I must see to it.
What is it?
Honestly, I don't know what is giving this your so-called friend so much guts. Can you imagine that Tracy went to report you and I to the doctor?
Which doctor?
Which other doctor? The doctor taking care of the witch.
What?
And now he's asked me to come and see him, more like he's summoning me.
What for? Baby, you are not going anywhere. What's even wrong with her? Listen, whoever takes her to the hospital should pay the bills or attend to her. You're not going anywhere. Don't even stress your head over that. Let me go fix your stay now, okay? Don't even think about it. What is the bone wrong with Tracy?
I just don't know what is giving her so much guts. Baby.
Yes, love.
You have to talk to your friend Tracy. Let her stay away from our business. I mean, she's crossing her boundaries. If she ever talks to me the way she did, I'll walk her out. In a very rude manner. I mean, what is the meaning of all this? Huh? What kind of busybody is that one? Now look, she has taken a witch away from this house. The whole place is dirty. Dust everywhere. Dirty clothes everywhere. Look at my clothes. Or are you going to wash it?
Of course not, baby. You know I wouldn't want to soil my nails.
Now you see why witch shouldn't have been taken out of this house. We need witch back.
Come on, honey. You know she was unconscious.
She was. Is she still unconscious? Bring back witch. We need witch in this house.
All right then. I'll call her to bring her back in the morning.
Good.
She's fine now.
Yes.
And she'll be discharged in the evening.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Thank you.
So in the evening?
Yes.
So no, I'm not yet healed, please. Let me just stay here for a week or two, please.
Medically, you are okay. I confirmed it
Sir,
myself.
no, check this scan very well. Did you check it very well? I am sick.
Bella.
No, sir, check me. No, I'm not okay.
You look quiet.
Sir, no, even if it's 2 weeks, let me just stay. I want to stay. I'm not okay.
Bella, the doctor here said you're fine.
No, the
And you'll be
doctor
discharged
is not checking it very well. Doctor, please check it very well. I'm not okay.
It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. And if she wants to stay for 2 weeks, it's not bad. At least she needs bed rest. But
Thank you.
the bills will be accumulating. Yes. So it's not a bad idea if she have a bed rest. It's not a bad idea.
No problem. No problem. I agree. But me, I'll pay for the medical treatment. Then she will not pay for the bed rest.
Auntie, now, please. Please what? You know the...
Oh, okay, you guys have to make decision and see me in my office, huh?
Thank you, doctor. Thank
No,
you.
no, doctor, come back. Auntie, please. Auntie, you know if I go back, they will kill me. They will kill me. Please, I don't want to go back. Let me just stay
Nobody
here
will kill you.
Auntie, no, you don't know them very well. They will kill me. I don't want to die. I'm too young to die. Please,
Bella,
please, Auntie, I want to...
I understand you very well. But nobody is going to kill you. Okay?
Auntie, please, let me just stay. I want to stay, even if it's 2 weeks. I'm okay with 2 weeks. At least 2 weeks is not far. Please, ma.
Bella, where would you rather want to go? Yes.
Even if it's village, I would love to go to the village to see my mother. Please, let me go to the village. Auntie, please, I don't want to go there.
You will not
kill
go
me.
to the village and nobody will kill you.
Auntie, are you sure?
I am here. It's a promise.
Auntie, are you sure it's a promise?
Nobody will touch you. I promise. Easy.
I see. She's now your new maid.
Don't be stupid. I am doing this for you.
You're doing this for who? Tell us. How? What exactly you're doing for us?
Look, if I had not rushed this guy to the hospital, she would have been dead by now.
Let her die! Tracy! My son is dead. Let her die. I don't know why this is so difficult for you to understand.
Person, stop. Please, stop it. Both of you need to stop. This guy is innocent.
Oh, she's not. She's not innocent. And please, Tracy, you need to stop playing the perfect one here. You need to stop it and take your hands off Bella's issues. Yes, I know you like her, you love her, whatever that is. But she is my worker. She works for me. What?
See, Alice, you are my friend. My best friend. I cannot sit down here and watch you make mistakes. I don't want you to make mistakes in life.
Thanks very much.
That's why I'm doing all this for you. Remember, you brought this girl from the village with a promise of taking her to school. Then, this is 1 year. 1 whole year. And this girl have never been to any school at all. This is called wickedness.
And who said I won't send her to school? Huh? This is not just the appropriate time. I said I will. Like I said, thanks for your concern. So that the time is right. And please stop lecturing me. I'm not a child.
Really? You sent her to school?
What? Whatever. Okay, baby. Who would you choose? Tracy, I really don't like this.
Like what?
I don't like this.
The poor girl is innocent.
Oh, she's not.
She is.
Why are you siding with a murderer?
How?
What is how? Like I said, stop lecturing me. I'm not a child. I know what to do. When the time is right, you go to school.
Well done. She'll go to school at her old age.
Whatever. We have open universities.
Madam, I beg, give me water.
Tell your new maid to give you water.
Everything is just falling apart. I thought coming to the city will make my life better, and that of my mother. I
thought it would bring happiness to my mother. But I was wrong. It was just a mere dream. We were poor but happy until Alice came to the village to deceive my mother and I.
Hey, I'll miss you. I'll miss you too. I don't have to I'm missing you already. I'll miss you too.
Mama, that's enough. It's really nothing. I believe Bella will make us proud. Of course she will. Once we get to the city, I will enroll her into a good school. We should get education, a proper education, and after which she'll get a good job and probably come back to the village and take you back to the city.
Hey!
Then you become a city mother.
Yes!
Please.
Be careful. Be a good girl. Anything they ask you to do it.
No problem.
I trust you.
Thank you. Hey. Mama, don't worry, eh?
I'm already feeling low.
You don't have to.
Hey.
We'll bring someone to stay with you, someone that will take care of you. Of course we will.
I never knew I was coming to be a slave in Auntie Alice's house. Brian died under my care and I'm being blamed and punished for it. Where do I go from here? How long will this continue?
Good afternoon, ma.
Bella.
Good morning, ma.
Bella. So you left this house for a week. And after you returned, you decided to lock yourself inside the room. Don't you know there are things for you to do? Eh? Or do you want me to force you into doing it? My friend, will you stop first? Hey!
Auntie, please don't slap me. Please, ma. Sorry, ma.
Do you want to fight me?
No, ma. Ma.
You want to fight me?
Please stop slapping me. I'm tired.
You're grown.
No.
Really?
No.
Come now.
No.
Come. No. Jesus, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Jesus. You're very stupid. You're like grown. Eh? You're grown. No. You're grown. No.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling better.
I know what happened may not be your fault, but these people are in pain. They are just trying to make someone pay for what happened to Brian. Just try to avoid doing what to make them beat you. Okay?
No problem. Thank you so much for your advice.
Alright, I just had to come and check on you. Let me go back to my days.
Why am I having this feeling that Bella is not okay? God, please protect my daughter.
Mama Bella, what is the problem?
If you... I don't know. I've been having some strange feelings about Bella recently. Gets me worried.
Don't worry, Mama. She will be fine. And I know very well she's working hard for you.
I pray so. I pray so.
Yeah, it's okay, Mama. It's okay. Mama, I've finished what you asked me to do inside. Let's go inside. All these things are dreams.
I'm coming. I'll join you. Oh?
Go where?
Go inside and wait for me. I'll join you. Oh?
Go where? So why did you not send for me to come and keep you company? I'm not going anywhere. You want me to leave you so that you start thinking again? No, I'm not going.
I'm not going,
Mommy. I'm not going.
We're going together. You bring my air. Yeah, let's go.
Babe. Babe.
Yeah.
I'm looking for my red gown. The gown you bought last week. I've been searching for my red gown. I can't find it.
Have you checked the wardrobe?
Of course I have. I've checked literally everywhere. It's nowhere to be found.
Are you by any chance saying which must have taken her?
What could she possibly do with a gown that's not even her size?
Oh no, I'm just asking. There is nothing which cannot do.
Bella! 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 Auntie, I'm sorry. Bella! Auntie, Bella! Auntie!
Bella! Bella, stand there.
Bella!
Where is my gown?
I lost your gown!
Are you trying to tell me my gown suddenly developed wings and flew out of the house? My husband cannot steal my gown because he bought it. Mia is even too small to know what that is.
Auntie, I know with your gun.
Where is my gown?
No, you did not steal any gown.
You took my gown to give
Auntie,
to
I swear.
Sorry.
Auntie, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Bella.
Wait! Are you turning my wife around?
No, sir.
Were you turning my wife around?
No, sir. That's not what I was doing. Sir.
So you have migrated from killing people to now stealing gowns.
Bella.
Bella, I swear, I did not steal any gown.
Bella.
I did not steal any gown.
Huh. Bella, I'll kill you. I know what you're trying to do. So you took my gown to send to your mother. You want to take my gown to your mother. You want to give it to your mother.
I don't take anything, ma. I swear to God, I swear.
Wait! How many times have I told you that every time I call you a witch, you say yes, sir? Wait!
Yes, sir.
Wait!
Yes, sir.
Wait!
Yes, sir.
Good. Before I come back, provide my wife's gown. But! Huh?
Notice.
Wait!
Sir.
Good. Provide my wife's gown.
I don't take any gown. I don't take anything.
Can you see that? I'm supposed to go out with him and he's leaving without me because he decided to hide my gown.
I don't take anything.
Bella, okay, calm down. Did you say?
I swear to God, I don't take any.
Bella! Bella! Bella!
Ma, I swear not take anything. Believe me. Ma,
Bella, where's my gown? Bella, I swear to God, Bella!
So, sweetheart. She refused to bring the gown out?
I tried questioning her. I've done everything I could. But she kept insisting she didn't see it. I don't even know what else to do.
Oh. This is strange. So, who must have walked up to this room to pick your gown without anyone knowing.
That's the part I don't even understand. The more I try thinking about it, the more confused I get. Come in.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
What is it?
Ma, I would like to go to the village to see my mother.
You would like to go to the village to see a witch? Witch!
Sorry.
What are you? Stop. Get out! Out! Witch.
Babe, what is it? What are you looking for?
I'm searching for my wallet.
Your wallet. Easy, boo. Are you sure you came back with it?
Of course I came back with it. Wait a minute. I just remembered. It was... I left that wallet in the pocket of the trouser I wore yesterday. And the trouser was amongst the dirty clothes I gave to the witch to wash.
Are you trying to say Bella saw your wallet and decided to keep it? Oh. Hold on.
Is it possible that witch must have taken my wallet? What can witch do?
So, this is what Auntie Alice has resolved to. God, how long is this going to continue? How do I make them believe that I did not kill their son? Is there something else? Why would they hate me like this? I did not kill Brian. It was not my fault. God, why will you allow bad things to happen to good people? You really have to show me the way out of this mess. Now they have started accusing me of things I know nothing about. How can I steal and not know how and when? I'm not a thief.
You cannot kill my son and have peace in my house. I will so deal with you that at the end of the day, your useless mother will not recognize you. That I promise. You will go back to that village. But before that, I will take everything away from you. Bella, I am going to break you. I am going to make you less human since you have started stealing. Yeah, hello, Mama. Good afternoon. What is you say? You're your way to our house? Like you're already in the city? Oh, really? Oh, wow. Wow, that's good news. Oh, you're close to the house. You're just by this. Okay, Mama. Oh, can't wait to see you. All right. What is even wrong with this woman? How can she leave the village and come to the city without even calling us? Oh, Jesus, what is she even coming to do?
My wife told me your mother is on her way to this place. She didn't call me to notify me she was coming to my house. could have asked her to go back. But I'm not a wicked man. I have respect. So she's welcome. But if you open this stupid mouth of yours, tell the mother that we have been maltreating you because you killed our son, you go to jail. I will call the police, I'll tell them what happened to my son, and you will go to jail because you killed my son! Why didn't you kill my son? No, didn't! Which? In case she gets here, she asks you what happened to your head. And you tell her that my wife broke your head. Did my wife break your head? Did my wife break your head?
I don't know, sir. Maybe.
The answer is no. Did my wife break your head? Did my wife break your head?
No, sir. No,
Good.
sir. Yes, sir.
Good. If she asks you what happened to your head, just tell her you had bike accidents when coming back from school. Do we understand each other? Witch! Do you understand? I call you witch, say yes, sir.
Okay.
Witch!
Sir, yes, sir.
Witch?
Yes, sir.
Get out. Witch!
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome.
How are you?
Fine. Sorry, who are you, ma?
Okay, I'm Bella's mother.
Bella's mother. Okay,
Yes.
welcome.
Mama!
How are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
You're looking beautiful.
You too.
I
Cool.
hope my daughter and your husband are looking like this.
Of course. How have you been? Let me help you.
Where are they?
They are inside.
Hey.
My husband is inside. How are you?
You're fine.
Mama, you look good.
Oh, thank you. What's Andy?
Let's go inside.
Okay.
Look at you. Mama, come. Hope the journey was not stressful.
Yes, so
You're
it was
sure?
not, yeah.
Oh, come in. Easy.
This house is beautiful.
Mama, you're welcome. Hi.
How are you?
Mommy, how have you been?
I'm fine, as you can see.
I have missed you.
I miss you too. What happened to your head?
She was involved in a bike accident on her way back from school.
Mommy, I hope you have been taking care of yourself.
Yes, I am.
Please don't get ill again, I beg.
I won't. I've seen you now.
Baby, hi darling. Why don't you go get Mama a cold glass of water? And please don't forget to check the food on the fire so it doesn't get burnt.
Okay.
Oh, I'm jealous. Mama, please come sit. Sit. How have you been? Hey, look at you. You look good. Let me take your bag inside. Then I'll dress your room and then show you to your room. Just feel at home, okay? Welcome.
Who made this your hair? Who made this your hair? Hey.
That woman that used to stay.
Oh, Mama Ejima.
Yes.
Oh, it's very fine. Oh, she tried. Hey, but
So you still remember her?
now, why would I remember her? So, Mommy, how did you locate this place?
That address that Alice dropped when she came to pick you.
Okay, the
Yes,
address.
the address.
But I would love to come to the village.
Hey, if you want to come now, you will come now. But you have to take permission from them and then you come.
Come on, darling. You know that is not possible anytime soon. You know you cannot travel due to your travel plan. Oh.
Travel? Travel, yes. It's the truth.
Are you traveling abroad? Is she traveling abroad?
Mommy, somehow.
Somehow.
Alice! You, thank you. May God bless you and your husband.
Mama, come on. That's really nothing. Hey, it's something we can afford, so why not? You see, Mama, it's nothing. Bella has been a sweetheart. She has been a really good girl. So once she's done with her secondary school education here, she has to further her education abroad. It's really nothing.
Oh, Mamo.
That's not all. Once she travels abroad, I'll come to the village and pick Ify. Ify has to come to the city. Then we'll get someone else to help you out in the village.
Mommy.
That would be nice.
No, Mommy.
Very good.
You know that Ify says she wants to learn work. So it's more better. She would love to learn work.
Now, but she can learn work in the city now. Since Auntie Alice is here.
You know here that it's better to learn work in the village.
Come on, sweetheart. Don't say that. Mama, don't mind. I know she's still a baby. Bella, honey, the city is the best place to learn whatever it is you want to learn. Okay? If he's coming to the city, can you go inside and get me a glass of water? Okay, baby. Be careful, right? Does it still hurt? Sorry, baby. Just get me water. Mama, let me get something. Okay. Please be comfortable. You want something else? Anything?
Don't worry. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
To go. You are trying.
Come on. Listen. Look at. If you ever talk in your life, if you talk when I'm still talking, or if you decide to ever challenge my orders in this house, I swear we kill you. You want to challenge me? Talking about the village is a good place to stay. If I slap you.
I'm sorry, man.
Rubbish. Murderer. Get out.
Mommy, how are you?
I'm fine.
You? I'm good. Mommy, there's something I want to tell you and it's very but
Mama? I hope you are enjoying your stay.
Yes, sir. In fact, your wife and my daughter here has fed me so much and they showed me so much love. Thank you so much for the way you're taking care of my daughter.
What else should we do aside taking good care of you? I mean, if not for anything, for giving us such a precious daughter to be under our care.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Bella,
Ma?
there's something you said you want to tell me.
Something? No, I'm not saying anything. It's not important.
So urgent.
No, it's not important. Don't worry. No, don't worry.
Is everything alright? I mean, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. It's nothing. You can enjoy yourself.
Let me join her today.
Oh, no, of course not, Mama. Leave her, let her go to her room and focus. I mean, she has exam in a few weeks' time, so she needs to go read.
At least, because I'm around, at least.
Mama,
She should have
your daughter is not dying today. Let her read. She has exam. You know, the syllabuses these days in school are not something you can joke with, so let her just go read. Mama, let us watch the film together.
I wanted to know how she's feeling.
Yeah, I feel okay. Let's just watch it together. Huh? I need to be sure you're okay. Are you okay, Mama? Okay. When you chop. It's you. She has to leave this house in the morning.
Oh, yes, you should. We'll just tell her we're traveling.
So my wallet, your gown, disappeared. Just like that.
It's surprising. Strange things are beginning to happen in this house.
Oh, yes. Who else could be behind strange things if not witch?
Bella, what are you doing here? Eh? Who gave you money to buy soft? Oh, really? So, Bella, I'm talking to you, you're still drinking. Drink this thing. You stupid. So you've been stealing my money to buy drinks in this house? To buy whatever you want, really? Jesus. Hey. Baby.
What is it?
Bella. Bella stabbed me to death in my dream.
Goodness. Come on, baby. Bella cannot stab you. It's only a nightmare.
No, baby. Baby, I think there is something about this girl we don't know. I have this conviction that she's planning something evil.
She's planning nothing evil. Before that witch would think of hurting you, I've killed her and buried her. Can we go back to bed? Jesus.
I'm going to miss you. I'm missing you already. Hey, Alice. Hey? Thank you so much for taking care of my daughter. May God bless you and your husband.
Amen, Mama. It's really nothing.
Mommy, tell Ify that I'll come and visit her. Okay. That I'll come very soon.
Oh yes, she'll come see us very soon. Okay?
My daughter, I want you to study hard. Oh, study very hard. Eh? And please, don't let the money that they are spending on you to be a waste. You know, go.
No, of course not.
You see this abroad that you're traveling. You're going to go and you're going to make me proud and you're going to come back and take me an Ify. You know?
Yes, Mommy.
Mama, that is not a problem. Bella here is a very brilliant girl. She will not put us to shame. You're going to come back with flying colors, right? Promise you'll make us proud.
She will.
Yes,
No, my daughter.
Alright, darling, so why don't you go inside while I walk Mama to the gates? Okay?
I should go inside.
Yeah, baby, don't stress yourself. Mama, it's okay. We'll miss you.
Okay, don't worry.
It's okay, darling.
We'll be coming, you know, go.
Okay, Mommy.
Oh, look at you. Stop making me jealous. You're making me jealous right
Mommy,
now.
don't worry, I'll come.
Yes.
Alright,
I will
baby.
even come just.
You know, right? Mama.
Thank you. It's really time for my daughter.
Mama, it's nothing. She's like my daughter now. What do you expect?
Even the way you were taking care of me.
You need to see. We're like best friends.
Thank you so much. God will really bless you and your husband.
It's okay, Mama. Please take care of yourself. If you need anything, call me.
I feel like not even going.
No, you have to. You have things to do now. Alright, Mama. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Mama. Take care. Be careful, oh. Don't let them snatch your bag. girl doing on my bed? Are you serious? My friend! Welcome! What are you doing on my bed?
Your bed.
What gods?
I'm sorry, I slept off, ma.
You slept off?
I was feeling headache and sleepy. Sorry.
No, you get out of my room! Get out! You know, come back and change these sheets. Jesus. What? Just imagine. I see when my husband calls you a witch. You're accusing me of a witch. Oh, God. Really? I thought you swore never to visit us again.
No. I never said that. It's just that you and your husband were pissing me off.
Come on. Well, I'm sorry about that. But babes, you obviously don't know what it feels like to lose a child. You don't. You can't even relate.
I know. Trust me. But killing Bella will not even bring Brian back to life.
Well, that's true. I'm sorry about that. We're sorry.
It's okay. Forget about that. So, how is Bella?
She's fine, no. Just that she has started stealing money.
Stealing money? How?
Bella stole my husband's wallet, which he forgot in his trouser, and she was the one that washed the trouser. And it's absurd.
You mean she saw a wallet inside your husband's trouser while washing, and she kept the money?
Yes, she did. I was able to recover some parts of it. I have been asking her to remit the balance. Up till this time, Bella is denying it. She has been swearing not to have seen any wallet. It's really tiring. But, babe, is that not stealing?
Yeah, it is. But I wonder what she'll be doing with wallet.
I really can't tell. I'm surprised that you're not supporting Bella for the first time.
Come on. How can I support stealing? I can't support this one. I'll probably caution her on this. I'll warn her about this.
Let's forget about that. How have you been? What's up?
Fine.
What has been going on? I miss you, Shao.
I missed you too.
Oh, please. You ran away. Give me gist, Jerry. What has been going on in the street? Hey.
Huh?
My jewelry box is missing. My jewelry box that contains my gold, my bracelets and other jewelries. It's not here.
Wait. I don't. You're missing. I don't. I'm like how?
Maybe you know I usually keep it here. It's not here. Someone must have taken it. I don't know.
Are you saying that witch has done her handwork again?
Baby, we're just four in this house. And she's the only stranger, the only person that could have... Oh, God. I swear, if I find out that she's responsible for this, if she's responsible for this again... Bella. My friend, will you wait?
Good. Auntie.
Bella. I asked you to clean our room yesterday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And after cleaning our room, you decided to steal my jewelry box filled with my gold jewelries.
Jewelry box?
Listen.
No.
I do not want to shout and I don't want to scream this morning. It's too early for that. I want you to kindly bring out the box you stole. Or tell me where you hid it so I can go get it.
No, ma. I did not see any gold or any jewelry box. I swear. I did not see anything.
Really?
Yes.
So now my jewelry box suddenly developed legs and decided to walk out of our room. Or I am now the liar. Which?
No, Auntie. Maybe you are confused.
Eh?
No, I just said maybe you're confused and maybe you
I'm
don't know where you
confused.
kept it.
Really?
No, I don't mean you.
I'm confused. I'm confused.
I'm so sorry, I'm running.
Look at you. You're pretending, right? My friend, wake up! I know these tricks. Let me go and call my husband. You will see what will happen to you here. Nonsense. Baby! Honey! Babe!
So you said she'll be alright? Oh, she'll be alright. She's in a coma right now. But when she wakes up, I know she'll be okay. What actually happened to her?
She slipped and fell from the staircase and probably hit her head.
Are you serious? Anyways, you know she's still recovering from the last injury you gave her. My wife did not inflict any injury on her. We've never inflicted any injury on her.
At all.
But anyway, the way your friend presented it the other day, she came to the hospital. She lied that she was a cousin. Please, I want you to take it easy on her. Please, if you cannot condone her actions or her attitude or her behavior, better still take her to her parents. That's my little advice.
I've heard your advice. You've heard everything that you said. We have a little boy at home we have to run along so that we can take good care of him. As you can see, it's quite late. Focus on the patient that we brought for you.
Okay?
Baby, please just give me.
Doctor,
What is it?
I know it is not my business, but I think those people are really abusing that little girl.
Oh, I can see. Like you said, it is not your business. So you have to just do your business. Go in there, take proper care of her. And when she wakes up, don't hesitate to tell me. Huh?
Okay, doctor.
I'll be in my office.
Alright, I will do that.
Okay.
Alright.
Thinking we should just send this girl back to her mother.
Of course not. Honey, she has to pay for the consequences of her actions.
That's the angle you're seeing it from. I'm seeing it from a different perspective. What if she dies in our hands? We don't know how the state of her condition right now. Let's just package her peacefully, quietly, back to her mother. And then we have everything to just start planning, start doing things on our own. I mean, you're the woman here. You start doing things. You do the house chores, clean up the house, take care of your children. Let's just stay down and leave all this house help thing, I beg.
Babe.
Yeah.
You want me to do the chores?
For safety.
Aha. Come on, honey. You know I'm not built that way. I can't do that. Okay, fine. We will send her back to her mother, but that will be after we get another maid. Let's get someone else, then we'll send her back to the village.
We're yet to dissolve the one we have at hand. You're thinking of another maid?
At least someone that won't kill our child. Someone we're sure that will take care of Mayor. Baby, come on. You know you can afford it. It's not like you cannot afford it.
Hey, Alice, I'm talking to you. This is pure wickedness. This is inhuman. I mean, how could you? You beat that girl to coma. Then you left her in that hospital, waiting for the doctor to call you before you could go there. Really?
Tracy, this person we're talking about stole my gold. Bella is a thief.
No, she's not. She's not a thief. Well, if she is, then take her back home. Take her back to her mother. She has been begging you to take her back to her mother. Why are you still keeping her? I'm sure it's because of your maltreatment that turned that girl into stealing. That's if she even stole anything from you in the first place.
Really?
Yes.
You're not blaming me. Tracy, come to think of it, whose side are you on? Why do you keep defending this girl like you've known her from somewhere? Eh? Now you're telling me that it's because of the way I maltreated her, that's why she's now a thief. Like, you are actually giving her reasons to steal from me. Really? You're making excuses for a thief.
Alice! Alice! You're not a friend I used to know. You're turning into someone else.
Oh, please. Just imagine. You're not the friend I used to hear. Really? And you? Just imagine this girl giving her reasons to steal from me. How am I even treating her? Because I've not used her head to hit the wall one day. Shit. No problem. Do you know how much gold costs? Do you know how much a gram costs now? You're talking. Of course now you wouldn't know.
Let's just go and see how she's doing today. And where is she?
She was here.
She was here, meaning what? Where is the patient that was left under your care?
Who is that? Where is she?
Say something. You can't find her? You can't find her? Are you serious?
Bella!
Oh my God.
Bella! I don't understand what you're doing.
What kind of nurse are you? What kind of a nurse are you? What is going on? I've not seen this.
Tracy, are you telling us that Bella ran away from the hospital?
I don't know. Just that I walked into the ward with the doctor, but we couldn't find her. We ran to the road, looked for her everywhere, but she was nowhere to be found.
I don't have anything to say for now. Let's just search for her and not find her. You see what I'll do to that doctor. I will sue him, I will burn down the hospital, or better still close it down.
Really?
Oh yes, really. We will sue him. Of course we will. For negligence, we will.
Both of you are unbelievable.
Just let's search for her first and not find her. We'll see who is more unbelievable.
Benson.
Tracy. What are you telling me? Just, can you listen to yourself? What? No.
This is an hospital.
What's my business? What kind of stupid hospital is that? How can someone under your care, patient, under your custody be missing without no one knowing, not even the security man?
Mr. Benson, calm down. I've told you my security agents are in search of her. They will find her. What do you think they'll find her? Are you praying for her to get lost? Eh?
If I'm praying for her to... Listen, there's something you don't know about me. I'm ruthless. I'm ruthless. If by the end of today that girl is not found, it's either I tear this place down or you're going for it.
Mr. Benson.
Don't Benson me! Find her.
Mr. Benson.
What if she had come to the village?
That's just my worries right now.
Well, if she's in the village, there will be no point looking for her because she must have told her mother everything.
My fear is, what if she's not in the village? What if she had gone somewhere? What if she's dead or something?
Huh? God forbid. She's not dead though. She can't be.
I think we have to go to the village first thing tomorrow.
What if she's there?
We confront her mother and tell her that she's been stealing from us. We cook up all sort of lies against her and that's it.
Then we get another maid, right?
Hey, I'm really surprised to see you.
Mama, we had a function in the nearby village, so we decided to stop by and see you.
Hey, yeah, that's good.
Mama, you tell me what you're eating now.
Exactly.
How fresh you look.
Na village akwa.
Hey, really fresh.
Oh, thank you. How is my daughter?
I don't
Hope
know.
she's fine.
Of course
She's fine. She's really well.
Hey.
You need to see your daughter now.
She's
added to me.
Hey.
Much weight, so I told her to watch it.
Mama, when we get back to the city, I'll allow your daughter come stay with you for a week.
That would be wonderful.
At least, Go
Hey.
go.
Thank you so much. Hey.
It's nothing.
Hey, Daloso.
Mama.
Listen.
Mama, we have this little token for you. Please manage it.
Nkabulecho. Hey, Urikanono. Thank you.
It's okay.
God bless you.
It's nothing.
Hey.
Mama. We have to start going. City Eteka.
Yeah, we
Also,
have to run.
We have to start going.
Ify! You could be a paper gate. Open the gate for them.
How are you?
Hey.
Mama, what can I have for you?
Enough, my German. Ali German.
Like I said, next week,
Also. Hey. Because ego. Fifi, come and go to market, oh. Hey, you have plenty money now, no. I ain't got a little cup on you.
So let me down.
Just imagine. So you're trying to run away from home.
I said, wait!
Hi!
Stay right there. Did you stay? Huh?
You want to implicate us?
Okay.
You're going to tell your mother what? Your stupid mother.
I'm sorry.
Your useless mother.
I'm not doing it here.
Let's get home.
Where did this girl sleep? And where did she get the transport to go to the village from?
So when I told you this girl has been stealing our money, you thought I was joking. It is obvious she's stealing from us, or probably she has a boyfriend that she feeds from now. You see that girl? I am going to kill her. I will kill her.
You do know
Oh, I
something.
will.
No.
Ha.
Have you forgotten? Bella is a good girl. She used to be a very good girl. I remember how you used to praise her. You used to tell me how respectful, how hardworking she is. You even told me that she's the kind of house girl that I've been looking for. Yes. Remember all of those things you said. And then you people can still live as family. It's high time you put the death of Brian behind you.
Really? Tracy, let me ask you a question. Have you ever lost anyone close to you? Like someone really dear to you? Your blood, have you? I believe you've not. It's obvious you have not. Because you don't even know what it feels like to lose someone's child. This is my son we are talking about. Brian is gone. And you want me to put it behind me?
Alice, I understand everything.
Oh, you do not?
No, I feel your pain.
How?
But trust me, there is no amount of maltreatment on Bella that will bring Brian back. You just have to see things my own way.
I'm even wasting my time explaining things to you. You cannot relate.
Alice, calm down.
Auntie Tracy. Auntie, please beg them. Just beg them to take me to my mother. I don't want to stay here again. Please, I'm dying. Auntie, Auntie, please, I'm dying. I'm dying.
It's okay. It's fine. I'm here. You mean they did this to you? Your face. Where did they find you?
Auntie, on my way to the village, I never knew that they were ahead of me. So on their way back, they saw me and they bundled me back. Auntie, please, I don't want to stay here. I'm dying. Please take me back to my mother. Please.
Go to your
I'm
mother.
tired.
It's okay. I'm here for you.
Please, I don't want
I'll
to
make
stay
sure they
here.
take you back to your mother. Stop
Please
crying.
beg them for me.
Don't
I
cry.
want to go. Auntie, please. Auntie, please, I'm begging you, ma. Please. I don't.
Tracy, you've not gone?
If you don't take that girl back to her mother, you never see me here again. And I will never, ever be your friend. And hey, if anything happens to her, if anything by chance happens to that girl, I'll report you and your husband to the police. Yes, both of you deserve to be jailed for the kind of treatment you're giving to your household. Wicked souls.
No peace for the wicked. This world is full of evil. Best friends turn worst enemies. No peace for the wicked.
I'm going to live here by all means. If I stay here, I will die. This is not a fight I can win. God, please help me. Why are they accusing me of something I didn't steal? I have never taken something that does not belong to me.
Bella.
Good afternoon. Good morning.
We're going to see a friend. Make sure you clean this house thoroughly and prepare something for us to eat before we return.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? And don't leave this house. Don't leave this compound.
Okay, ma'am.
You hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Alright, let's go. Easy, funky.
Witch!
Sir.
Witch!
Sir. Sir.
We're going out. Let me not come back and start looking for things. Which means don't steal anything. What did I say? Don't?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Bye-bye, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Thank you, sir.
What?
Yes, sir. Hello, Mommy. Mommy, good afternoon, ma. Mommy, I'm not fine. I'm not fine.
Mommy, please, can you tell Ify to send me money for transport, eh? Please. I will tell you everything later. Yes, I will tell you everything later, but please, just tell Ify to send me transport. Mommy, Auntie Alice and Uncle Benson, they are not who they claim to be.
Are you sure of what you are telling me? What is happening to you?
Mommy, I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. Please believe me. They are not who they claim to be. Just tell Ify to send me the money for transport. I want to come back.
What of the abroad now?
Mommy, there was never any abroad or any exam. Please, just I'll tell you everything when I get back. Please. Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello? Hello? Hello? Ha, she has called the call on me. I don't understand. Which one is that they are not working together? See my house. Is she trying to say that she's not going to abroad again? Bella, you must go to abroad. I don't want to know what you're talking about. This abroad, you must go because you have to come and take me out from here. Look at all the dream I'm having, eh? That I'm going to abroad. I've told all my friends. This girl, you will not kill me. You will go to abroad. Ha! Let it just be a joke. Let it be a joke. Because I'm not going to take it. You must go to abroad.
Hello?
Hello, Auntie. Auntie, it's me, Bella.
Bella, how are you?
Auntie, I'm not okay. I'm not okay. I need your help. But when I'm ready, I'll tell you.
Okay, but you know I'm not going to come to that house again.
Okay, I'll come to your house. Yes, I'll come to your house when I'm free. Okay, ma. Bye-bye, ma.
But... Hello? Hello, Bella? She needs my help. I just hope she's fine.
Where is she? Bella! Baby, go to your room.
Where is that?
Bella!
Where is that witch? Where is she?
Bella!
Come here! So it has come to this. You have the effrontery to call your mother to report my wife and I. You reported my wife and I! Which phone did you use in calling your mother? Where is the phone?
No, I don't have any phone.
You have another phone?
No, I don't have any
what
phone.
What did you have?
I swear to God.
Android?
No, sir.
iPhone?
No, sir.
Android? iPhone?
Bella, come back here! Why are you standing there?
Are you deaf? Why are you standing there? Witch! If you don't have anything important to say, just get away! Witch!
I poisoned the milk.
Bella, what did you just say?
You heard me right. I poisoned your meal. Today, I'm going to watch you and your family die in front of me so I can leave. I'm already prepared. Do you think I'm joking? Do you think I'm joking? You and your family made me go through hell. I'm not a slave. I'm your house help. You maltreated me. You enslaved me. You abused me of stealing your money and your jewelries. You accused me of killing your son. You blamed it on me. And up till now, you refuse to take me to school. You lied to my mother that you were taking me abroad. But meanwhile, I was here. You were treating me like a slave. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
Bella.
Now, I'm going to watch you die in front of me.
Bella. Bella, why do you want to kill us the same way you killed our son?
I did not kill your son! I never did! It was just an accident! It was an accident! It was not my fault! He ran into a moving car! I didn't do anything! Oh, just look at you. Look at you. Alice Benson. Look at you. Look at what you did to me. You wake me up at 5 a.m. just to re-iron the clothes, even though I've ironed them. After hitting my head, knowing full well that I was sick and weak, but you still punished me. You punished me. You kept on punishing me and punishing me and punishing me. You are wicked. You all are wicked.
Baby, I feel dizzy. I don't know why. Your house is turning. I feel really dizzy. My head.
Bella, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Enjoy yourself.
Ella.
All done. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You're welcome. Sit.
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome.
Auntie, please, can I stay till tomorrow?
Tomorrow you can
Yes.
stay. You know you're always welcome in my house. You can stay forever.
Thank you, ma. Thank you very much,
You're
ma.
welcome. Then what really happened? Did they let you go or you ran away? Because
No, I fed them their own pills.
you fed them with their own pills. I don't understand, Bella.
I drugged them.
Okay? You mean you drugged them? How?
I gave them marijuana.
You gave them marijuana. I hope this thing will not result to something serious.
No, auntie, it will not result to anything. Please, can you take me to
Yeah.
the restroom? Yes, I would like to make use of the restroom.
Yes. Sure.
Thank you,
You
ma.
can.
No peace for the wicked.
How are you? Why are you crying? See your head. Come on, sit down. Come and sit down, my loves. Hey. How are you feeling? Where's your head? Why are you crying?
Tracy, we're really sorry. We really want you to accompany us to the village to at least talk to her mother. Yeah, please.
Hey, Alice. You guys wronged that girl. You really dealt with her. I was telling you. I keep warning you. I don't want you to make mistakes. I don't want you to make mistakes. But you're seeing me as a bad person.
Is it possible for we to just cut all those talks and then just please, all right? If you want us to go down on our knees, we will. Just help us, all right, please.
Benson, you're saying this thing because this girl did not truly poison you people. Is that why you're saying this thing? Had it been this girl is a bad person, like she have a strong heart like you and your wife here, you guys would have been dead by now.
We know, man. Let's just go. Just go with us, please. Well, we've realized our mistakes and we're ready to make amends. Please, let's just go.
When do you guys want to go? Like now?
Yes, like ASAP. You can, if you want anything inside, you can just get it. Let's go, please.
It's just because I love you so much as my best friend though. Now I have to cancel where I'm going to follow you to village. And I was warning you.
Please, I beg you. We'll wait for you. Just get your bag. Let's go.
Let me get my handbag. I'm coming. Okay. I don't want you to make mistakes.
It's okay. Thank you. Trey, baby. Mwah, mwah, mwah. This was a good step.
On behalf of my family, we're sorry. Yeah, there's no other way to say it. We did you wrong. We're sorry. But everything we did, it was out of the loss of our son. You know, my wife and I couldn't bear it at first. We thought you had a hand. I mean, we thought you did it deliberately. So we had no other option than to vent our anger on you. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do all of those things. Just thank God for the kind of hearts that you have. Else, my entire family would be in the mortuary by now. We're sorry.
Bella, we're sorry. We're truly sorry, just like what my husband said. Everything we did out of anger and pain of losing our son. Please forgive us. Mama, Ify, forgive us. We're truly sorry. Please.
You both are very lucky. You did all sorts of inhuman things to me. You maltreated me. You enslaved me. You made me go through hell. You blamed me for the death of your son. But I just want to give you one advice. House helps are not slaves. They are meant to be treated like other people. What did I do? Nothing.
You're lucky I'm a nice person. If it were to be another person, she may not add marijuana, but poison. Imagine you all dead.
Hey.
House helps should be treated well. They should. And not slaves. I have forgiven you. Thank you.
Thank you, Bella. Thank you for forgiving them. Thank you. Thank you so much.
She told me everything. The hell she passed through in your house. But I forgive you.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you. Thank you.
I also want you to know that you're not a witch. I mean, I'm sorry for calling you a witch. You're actually an angel. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Why did you do it?
No, now. No. Brian! What are you doing here? You're dead. You're not supposed to be here.
Why did you use Bella against my mother?
Are you alright?
Trace, are you okay?
Yes, I'm alright.
What do you mean by Brian? What do you mean? My son is dead. Why are you calling my son
Brian?
Brian is here. He's here.
Well, what is wrong with your friend?
I killed him. Okay, what? Brian, where? Ah! What? Brian!
Tracy!
Brian!
Are you okay?
Tracy!
That's what you said! Tracy, are you okay?
Tracy! Leave me alone. I don't know what you're talking about. What? My son is dead.
Tracy! Are you okay? Don't touch her. Tracy, what is it? Don't touch her! Tracy! Tracy!
If you stop calling my son's name!
Tracy, what is
it? Do I know for this your friend?
Are you okay?
You have anything important to say? You say it and stop calling my late son's name.
Tracy, what's going on? Tracy!
Alice, I'm sorry. Alice, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
I'm sorry. Look, I came. Alice. So you can do this to me? I asked you for help severally, but you pushed me aside because you are always the lucky one. Because you have a beautiful home, beautiful children, and a very wealthy, handsome husband. You refuse to help me, Alice, after all we've been through together. I'm sorry to disappoint you, my dear friend. Because I will take everything away from you. I am going to plant a seed of sorrow and pain in your life, Alice. Yes. I am going to take your children away from you. And your husband will be mine. As I said today, so shall it be. Alice! Alice! for the death of your son. I decided to use the opportunity to cause you more pain. I seized the opportunity. I controlled Bella with charms. Bella, listen to me very, very well. Okay? You have to start getting back at these people. Yes, if not, they're not ready to let you go. They will cage you there and be maltreating you.
Auntie, what do you want me to do? I'm helpless. I can't do anything. But I can't do anything. Just tell me, I will do it. I'll do anything, please.
You see, you just have to start with anything. You have to start by causing them pain. Now, let them feel little pain. Let them feel little of what you're facing. See your head. You have to take anything you can lay your hand on in that family. You hear? You see that Alice, your auntie, she's not a good person at all. She's a very selfish lady. Now, I've known her all my life. Since my childhood, I've known her. She's very, very selfish. If not for me, she would have killed you. I'm the only person saving you in this world. So just do exactly as I say. If you go to the house, anything, she have gold, she have, pick everything. Me, I'll help you. My job is to help you. I'll help you sell them and you make big money. You make money, take to your mother. Buy anything you want to buy. We can do it together.
Oh, Auntie, I'm not a thief.
Yeah.
I'm not a thief.
Who is a thief? Am I a thief? Am I a thief? Is anybody they born a thief? Nobody is a thief. Yeah? You just do things as they come, you do it. It's not about being a thief or not. It's by saving yourself. It is called fighting back. Fighting for justice.
I'm sorry, Auntie. I can't do that. No, I can't do that.
You're sorry, you can't do that. Yeah. Bella. Bella! You will be my weapon and my tool in that house. You will do as I say henceforth. You will help me bring down Alice's household to nothing. You will hear me whenever I command and do my wish. You will do my biddings and take the blame. Bella. Bella.
This world is full of evil. Best friends don't worst enemies. No peace for the wicked. This world is full of evil. Best friends don't worst enemies. No peace for the wicked.
The first thing Bella stole from you was your clothes. I controlled her with my charms.
Hey, Tracy.
Brian.
Tracy.
No peace for the wicked. This world is full of evil. Best friends don't worst
Sorry, ma. Sorry, I took time. Sorry,
I've been
ma.
waiting for you.
Sorry, ma.
Thank you.
Okay, no problem, ma. Bye-bye, ma.
You can go. Go.
Yes. When she told me how you lied to her mother when she came visiting, I found out that you and your husband have not changed. And my heart became even stronger. I compelled her to steal more, even more things from you. She stole your jewelry, your gold, even your husband's wallet. It was me. It was me. I planned her escape. I planned her escape from the hospital. Yes. After you beat her to coma, I planned her escape. Oh.
How are you?
Fine. Thank you. Relax, okay? I've already told them that you ran out of hospital and everyone is looking for you now.
Thank you, ma. Thank you. I really appreciate it, ma. God bless you.
It's okay. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Relax. I'll give you details on how to get about things, okay?
Okay. Mama, I don't want to go back there, please. I don't want to go back or else they'll kill me. Please help me.
Yeah, so what is your plan?
I just want to go back to the village and
to go to village.
Yes.
So what will I do for you?
I just need transport fare. Just transport fare, that's all.
Transport? Transport is not a problem. I'll see what I can do.
Thank you very much, ma. I really appreciate it.
It's okay.
God bless you, ma. Thank you.
No, don't do that. Relax your head. You need to keep your head.
I did all of those things. The next morning, I gave her some money. I put her inside keke that I'll take her to the park. But out of your wickedness, you bundled her back to the city.
Tracy. You mean you killed Brian and my jewelry box, my husband's wallet, every other thing is with you? Is that what you're trying to say? You killed my son! Auntie Tracy, you made me go this far.
Bella, I'm sorry.
It was you! You! Look at the witch we're talking about. You killed my son! You killed my son! You killed my son! You! Your friend killed our son!
At least your wife is my best friend. We're best of friends right from school days. I've followed as the best of everything. In school, academics, relationships, money, friendship, even husband. I wanted to take everything away from her. I asked her for help several times, but she refused to help me. Nothing. No husband, no child, no money, no good relationship. But she had everything good going on in her life. Look at me. She refused to help me. Even give me money, little money. At least refused. Hey. I'm sorry, but this is even small. I plan to rip off everything. I plan to do more harm to her. Hey. I want to kill all your kids. Yes. Take away all her valuable items. And even take you.
Tracy! Tracy, why? How could you hurt me so much yet claim to be a saint? I will save you, God.
You are the real witch! Witch! Die! Witch! Witch! Die! Witch! Witch! What are you waiting for, witch? Die! Die! Witch! Look at it! Look at just take a good look at it!
Where are you, baby? Where are you? If you're here, just come to mommy. I miss you so much.